Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Shiny Star V box. And this is basically the original Japanese version of what became Shining Fates in the US. But these packs are slightly different, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to open these. And my friend, who I call Raptor, recently sent me a link that this was in stock again, so I figured, hey, I might as well, because if not now, I don't know if I would ever get an opportunity. Of course, let's see, this how this... There we go. Got our little display all folded out. And these boxes come with 10 packs because this is like a luxury set or whatever. I can't remember the official terminology, but basically a luxury set. And the interesting thing about these packs is that they have this thing called a God pack, which means like every card in the pack is a shiny. Now, of course, it's only like one in every something 100 packs that are that, but you never know. Also, I'm pretty sure, I haven't opened any of these before myself. I'm pretty sure there are like 3 hollow slots or something, instead of like 2 in the English, or it might even be 4, and it's like 2 hollows, 1 potential shiny, and then 1 potential full art shiny or whatever. Alright, let's see. 1 hollow, 2 hollow, V. Ooh, and then this is like a different type of hollow. So it looks like 4. No shinies in that one, but still got a V, so I'm not worried. And I'm not sure, since this is kind of a different booster box, I'm not sure what the pull rates are like, because of course with Japanese booster boxes, you have like a guaranteed secret. I'm not sure, maybe it's like a guaranteed VMAX on this or something. But guess we'll see what sort of cards we pull. Ooh, I like that one. I don't know if this made it to English ever. Of course, we got the Marnie. Oh! Oh my gosh. Well, that's the card to get, right? Oh my... I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. And then the, I've seen these ones called oil spills. Because, I mean, look at it. It looks like an oil spill. Charizard, really? What is with my Charizard luck? I've pulled 2 of the regular VMAXs, and I have the shiny VMAX. Well, I guess, I mean, like, that's a good first shiny for this box, right? Oh my gosh. Ooh, that one's really nice too. I don't know if that made it to English. One of my favorites, Flapple. Ooh, another V. And that oil. Gosh, that Charizard looks just so nice. I think I actually prefer that over an English Charizard as well. Because like it's not like I need to read the text or anything, you know. But the gosh, I can't get into this. The Japanese textures and hollows and all that look better than English for sure. Which I never... I mean, it took me a while to realize that, I think, but... Ooh. Ooh, there we go, Lapras. I honestly love Lapras. It's such a good Pokemon. Jeez, that's... That'd be funny if that's like the only shiny we get out of this entire box, right? Also, these things, I'm not sure if it is anything of note. Well, I'm definitely glad I got this box. Oh, the amazing rares, I forgot. Oh, I love that. Oh, and we got the Lapras set. Amazing Kyogre is one of the better amazing rares too, I think. I mean, I'd like to have all of them, but I honestly do have most of them already in English, so. Ooh. There we go. Of course, got Appleton. Oh, and another amazing rare. Oh my gosh. The amount of hits in these packs is ridiculous. It's like its own level, you know? I keep going for that like it's a code card. But it's not. Okay. Ooh. Torkoal? Kind of blanking, but I think that's the name, right? Dragapult VMAX. That's a very nice card as well. Geez, still 3 packs left. Are we gonna get any cool, maybe like a, trying to think of what like the full art shinies are. Definitely like Scorch and, I don't know, Grimmsnarl and Rillaboom and all that good stuff. Ooh, an energy of those. 2 left. Gosh, there we go. You know, I haven't even tried opening these just regularly. I probably should on the very final pack, but you know, whoops. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, there. Look how easy that was. Ooh. Snom. One of the fan favorites of Gen 8. Ooh, Giovanni. And a Rillaboom VMAX. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna go through these hits real quick. And there's actually like a lot. I knew that there were more hit slots in these than the Shining Fates. But I didn't know it was like these rates, you know? Because this is actually like ridiculous. And look at how nice they are. Of course, got our amazing rares. And now our shinies. And I actually have like 2 or 3 Grimmsnarl V and VMAX shinies, so that's nice to add this. And then, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at it. Ooh. Oh, so beautiful. Look at like the rainbow on that. It's really nice. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.